2025 na. Virtual assistant ka na ba? Bakit hindi pa? Kasi up to now, you're still overthinking about your niche. Nakakainis! Hey guys, it's Jam, the founder of Barangay VA University or Community, and welcome to my latest series called Nakakainis! Where I can prove to you that as early as now that you can be an effective virtual assistant. And for this episode, we're going to talk about social media manager. But before anything else, let me remind you that we have a Notion board where I put all the schedules of our latest module. So this is episode 2 or module 2 out of 12. So the dates are there. Of course, the links of the previous episodes are there. And the links of the other free resources are there for you to be an effective social media manager, executive assistant, whatever niche that you want to pursue, okay? It's all there. So if I were you, go to the description box, click that link, save that link, and go through that, okay? Going back, let us define what a social media manager is. Your role as a social media manager is to give presence or provide presence, online presence. So in that way, you can help the businesses of your clients grow, okay? So this is more on content planning, research, content creation, scheduling, and community engagement and analytics. So here, of course, you have to research about the competitors, you have to research about your specific business, you have to research about your target market, deeply research about them, because the more you know them, the more you know how to attract them and you know where to find them at the same time. So after that, you'll have to plan on the pillars. You have to be able to plan on content, create campaigns. And when I say create content, you can do like graphics or write-ups or videos, podcasts, whatever that is. Of course, after that, you'll create captions and then you schedule it and then you will engage and then you will engage with the community, you engage on DMs, comments, all of those. And of course, you should be able to learn how to, understand the analytics, which works, which doesn't work, which content to continually do and stop. So that is your role as a social media manager. What are the tools that we use? Of course, AI tools. A lot of AI tools. Oh my gosh, I used so many. ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude. I found new AI tools that I'm gonna make an episode out of that, don't worry. Of course, you have to be familiar with all the, the social media platforms. Of course, you have to learn how to use Canva. Oh my gosh, Canva, CapCut, Google Workspace, of course. Don't forget about Google Workspace, project management tools, scheduling tools, and many, many more, guys. There are a lot of tools to learn and to use for social media managers. What are the experience needed? First, if you're a content creator already yourself, this is going to be very easy for you. That's how it started. Maybe a year or two of content creation experience or marketing experience. If you know basic graphic design or video editing, if you love content creation, if you have copywriting skills, if you have analytical skills, if you have a creative mind, ayan, you can make it here. What were the previous roles or jobs of current social media managers in the corporate? So they were the marketing assistants, they were the social media managers before in the corporate, content creators, CSR with social media community, pretty much heavy on really content creators. What are the ideal hobbies? Vlogging, content creation, social media posting, creatives, video editing, graphic designing, and many, many more. So comment below if you are the next social media manager, because I believe that now is the right time for you. Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye!